Hello everyone, I am Shruti Pawar. I have done the 6 tasks given by the Spark Foundation, that is prediction using decision tree algorithm. And the problem statement is create the decision tree classifier and visualize it graphically. So first of all, we will see what is decision tree. So it is a type of supervised machine learning where data is continuously split according to a certain parameter. It can be used as a decision making tool for research analysis or for planning strategy. A primary advantage for using a decision tree is that it is easy to follow and understand. So, in this task, first of all, I have imported the required libraries. Then I load the dataset. Then I display the first 5 rows from the dataset using head function. Tail function gives the last 5 rows from the dataset. Then I have used the info method. It gives me the how many number of rows are present and is there any null value or not, and also along with its data types. After that, I have described the dataset. It gives me some statistical information about the data, that is minimum, standard deviation, maximum, etc. Then I divide the data into input and output values. For that, for taking the x value, I have dropped the ID and species column. So these my x values, that is input values, and here I take the target column as a species. So species is my target column, and I take into a y variable, which is a output variable, but these values are in the form of categorical, so we have to convert it into a integer. So I have used a label encoding for it. So in this, we replace the categorical value with a numeric value between the 0 and the number of classes minus 1. So in this, there are 3 categorical values. Then this this data is converted into a 0, 1, 2 format. So for that, I have imported the label encoder from sklearn.process. Then I fit my categorical data into it, and then I transform it. Then after that, I have displayed that data. Then splitting data into train and test model. For that, I have imported test split from the sklearn model selection, and I splitted my data. After splitting, I have applied the decision tree algorithm. For it, first of all, I have to import the decision tree classifier for sklearn.tree library. Then I feed the X train and Y train data to it. Then I predict the values for the model. For that, I have used the X-test model. After predicting, I also compare the predicted and actual values. So these are my actual values and these are my predicted values. After that, I have plotted the confusion matrix. From this, most of the data are predicted correctly, but this model predicts the Iris versicolor as Iris virginica. Um, After that, I have also printed the accuracy score and also printed the classification report. So it is used to measure the quality of a prediction, and it displays the precision recall F1 score support for the model. After I visualize the decision tree, for that I have imported the matplotlib.pyplot library, and this is my decision tree. In this way, I have completed 6 tasks. Thank you.